this week's short, we find inspiration in the words of Sue Monk Kidd, who I was delighted to discover loves oak trees just as much as I do. Dear God, I love this tree. I love the light filtering through the moss and the leaves. I love all your earth songs, the breeze rustling through the grass, the rhythm of the crickets, the beating of the wings. Here, surrounded and permeated by your creation, I feel you. I feel life. I know myself, connected. Oh God, is there anything you made that can't pour life and healing into me? When I think of the simplicity and extravagance of creation, I want to bend down and write the word yes across the earth so you can see it.